Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this magic school themed outfit on Dress to Impress. I'm always confused like what that means, but I think this is on theme, and the best part is you don't need any VIP to go with that. If you want the hair, you can do whatever hair you want. This is just a tutorial on the hair that I have. If you want it, grab this hair in no bangs, position the Y at 0.44, Z 0.52, rotate the X to 0.51 and scale it to 0.4. Grab this updo in black, grab this hair in only bangs and scale it to 0.54. Then grab this hair in bangs only in black. For the outfit, we are going to use the Easter like top here in the second toggle in black and then matte, and then white in matte, and then matte in black. And I just love the chains and the color. Oh, I just did white, I guess. Then obviously you can do whatever you want after this. Like you can pick what pants you want. I'm just going to use these leggings and grab these shoes here for something simple. For the hat, we're going to use this in black. You can add white to it. I just prefer it to be like gray or black again. Then red and glitter, and the rest I do like white. I do scale it down a little and then kind of rotate it off to the side a little bit so it's not super plain. And I kind of just bring that forwards to cover the bangs. It looks weird from the back, but grab the bunny ears, and then I'm just going to scale it down a little, and I'm also going to rotate that sideways. I'm just going to bring it up a little bit, and I'm just going to kind of adjust it to the hat like so. Lastly, for the wand, you're just going to get the like small firework, the sprinklers, whatever you want to call that. I actually don't know still what it's called, but that is it. Super simple. You can add more stuff obviously to the outfit to make it a little bit better, but that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.